Ayampa Unyami Eyodo. Welcome everybody. My name is Daniel Boateng. In this lesson we are going to look at how to play praises at church. We are going to learn the finger picking techniques, both the left and then the right hand technique. Mostly I normally play with my right finger during church services with the right hand technique, and it sounds very good. So that is what we are going to look at. So let's begin today's lesson. All right, what I want you to do is concentrate on my right hand, where I'm going to use to pick. We are playing C major, we are playing C, F, and then G. Then we will play C. But this finger picking, I want you to take note of it. I want you to practice very, 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 very carefully. But before we begin, if you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly hit on the subscribe button and then leave your comment at the comment section, share the videos, and give me a like, give me a thumbs up, so that I'll be motivated to give you more of these free lessons. Now let's look at my right finger. I'm using my thumb and then my first finger. That is what I'm using. So at C major, I'm going to pick these strings. I'm going to pick this fifth string. I will pick the second string. I will pick the fourth string and then the third string. So reading from down to up, I'll pick the second, third, fourth, and fifth. When I go to F, I'll pick the second, the third, and then the fourth. When I go to G, I'll pick the second, the third, the fourth, and then the C string here. We will look at it very, very, very slowly so that you get everything at your fingertips. So this activity, I want you to take note. So C major no C major no she me sani fa no for camera ne be me pa. This is what I want you to do. Okay, so I first pick the do and then the do. I pick them together, and then the mi, the so, the do, then the mi. Let me take it again. So it's simple as ABC. So I want you to take note of this activity. Practice it very, very, very well. So you can see that the thumb is playing do, mi, do, mi, do, mi, do, mi. And then the first finger is playing the do, do, so, do, so, do, so. That is what they are doing. Okay. This is what I want you to do. I am picking the root, the C major root, and then the 8th note. Okay, I'm picking it together. then I pick the third, the fifth, the first, then the third. Again. Once more. So to get or to develop the speed, then you play Now, I am moving to F major. I am moving to F. So let's look at the F shape. So this is F. When we move to F, we pick the C, we pick the A, and then we pick the F here. So we pick C, we pick A, we pick F. So looking at my right hand, I am at F. I am picking the C, the A, and then the F. So I pick the C first with my first finger. So again. So playing it continuously, we have something like this. Good. So looking at G major, this is our G major shape here, the G major. And then you can see that G major, we are holding the entire board and playing the entire board, but during the picking, I'm not going to pick all the strings. So before we do the G major chord and then the picking, if you are still have not subscribed to my channel, and if you are a newbie to my channel this time, subscribe and then hit on the notification so that you will be updated. You will be notified anytime I record a video. Hit on the subscribe button and then leave your comment. Let's look at the G here. So the G, I'm going to pick this G. I'm going to pick this, and then I'll pick the D. I'll pick the G here, the middle G here, and then I'll pick the B. Though my forefinger is on the G here, but I will not pick that string. So I'll pick the G, the D, the G, the middle G, and then the second B. Okay, good. So let's look at it at my right hand. So on my right hand, I have it like this. So I'm picking the G and then the B together. I pick them together. And then the D, the G, then pick the B again, then end it on the D. Brofono dos, mami kachi, me say, me bo G gwe bass no, any B no, me so ni nyina mu pe, na ma bo D no, na ma bo G na wo fifi no, na ma bo B no, na ma san bo D no. Kukrumoti ni dwuma A dia ne say en de ebo bass no. Song. Esan say ye nyina ye ahyase fo a yesua guitar ne nti. Me pese wonya ntoboase empepre ho entumrika. Aha, ntoboase wie nkunimdie. Ntoboase wo ewie nkunimdie. Nti me pese wo to boase na osua ne mako na fi ni diso no na fi ye de ebeka ho na fi ye hyase above the Pentecostal praise. What you say? Praise is there, and that should be the easiest on the guitar for you to play. What you say? Praise in the air for Christ says obo. Nti nneema ebe boa mo atimi abo praise no na ye hyase a yesu. Nti me se me bo gin no. Me bo gin bi no. Me bo ni nyina bom. Na ma bo di. Ma bo gin. Ma bo bi. Ma bo di. Ti eno na se ye kan bo mu a obetis. All right, so we are going to do this activity. We are going to play C, F, C, then G. Okay, using the finger picking I have taught you this time very slowly. Okay, so we are going to play each 4 bars, 4 beats in every bar. Okay, so let's go. I'm not going to add a metronome, but will be very, very, very slow for you. So let's go. 1, 2, 3, go. Let me take it again. We are beginning at C, 4 beats, F, 4 beats, come back to C, 4 beats, and go to G, 4 beats. Then come to C and end it. Let's do it once again. 1, 2, 3, go. Good. So I want you to take your time, find a metronome, then work on this exercise for me. I will be expecting a feedback from you, whether in a video form or an audio form. I will be expecting. So you can send your work through my WhatsApp number, which is on the screen now, so that I can assess how much you have learned the rhythm, the finger picking. So on this note, if you have not subscribed to my channel, I am encouraging you to hit on the subscribe button, share the videos, and then leave a comment. If you don't understand anything, you can WhatsApp me, or you can just leave it at the comment section. Then your like, give me the like. I didn't know how you see no video. I didn't know how you see so how I say. Give me the thumbs up. All right. So we will meet next time for another praises lesson 2. So thank you.